Hey guys, this is Caesar. I usually do these videos from around the country, as you know, but today I'm doing them from West Palm Beach from my home office. And what I'm doing is I'm about to go on a call with a dealer group of 20 dealerships. And I usually do a demo in person, but this time I'm gonna do it over the web. Before I do my demos, I usually test the scanning unit to make sure it works. So I'm gonna do that with you today. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to scan repair orders, deal jackets with our scanning unit. So this is the scanning unit. We offer a scanner and a touchscreen. And to scan a repair order is very easy. Click up on the scanning application. We're gonna load up a 10-page repair order. We have the option to scan repair orders, parts invoices, rental agreements, deal jackets, and vendor invoices. So for this example, we're gonna scan a repair order, load up the repair order, and simply click on Scan Repair Order. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan 60 pages a minute. We're gonna scan front and back, and we're gonna use OCR technology to read the repair order number off of the repair order document. This repair order number is 995957. And as you can see, that's the number that came up on the screen. All the person that's scanning needs to do is confirm that that's the right number, click OK. It creates a PDF document that they can then see to confirm that the pages that you fed through were actually scanned. So this scans front and back, and I'm gonna show you on the third page, there's a note, and you can see the note there. So this is the viewer that people can actually look at, the person that's scanning can actually look at to verify their scanning documents. Now I'm gonna show you how to scan small battery test receipts or service coupons. It's very easy. Simply load up the items on the scanner, click on Scan Other Items, and as long as the repair order number is on the screen, those items will be added to the existing repair order. So if you click View, you scroll all the way down, there's your service coupon, there's your battery test receipt. So that is a simple way of scanning repair orders. Now I'm gonna show you how your service advisors, warranty administrators, or anyone in the dealership can look at documents. So for that, we're gonna give each user a repair order viewer. In this scenario, I'm gonna show you how to pull up the repair order by the repair order number, which is 995957. We're gonna hit enter. There's the document. Click on the row, and there is a Google message. But here's the PDF with all the scanned documents. There's a note. If you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see the battery test receipt and the service coupon. Okay? This is a PDF document, so you can download this, you can print this, you can email it, do anything you want with it. You also have the ability to look by customer name. So I'm gonna type Smith, gives you all the Smiths, and also by the last 6 of the VIN. So in this scenario, I'm gonna do 423967, hit enter, and there's the whole history for this person, for all the repair orders they've come into. So that's the repair order viewer. It's easy to use. This is what we give our dealerships to scan. And now I'm gonna show you how to scan deal jackets. Now I'm gonna show you how to scan a deal jacket. I have a test deal jacket with me. Usually deal jackets are between 50 pages and 100 pages, depending on the dealership. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna separate the long contracts from the package. So we're gonna put those aside. We're gonna load up the deal jacket, click on deal jackets, and just as scanning repair orders is very simple. Click on Scan Deal Jacket. We're gonna scan front and back. We also have the ability to scan in color by clicking on Scan Other Items. For deal jackets, we're gonna track it by using the deal number and the stock number. In this scenario, we're gonna use deal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stock number 6789. Click on Add. That creates the PDF document that you can now view to make sure that all the documents were scanned, okay? But now I'm gonna show you how to scan these long contracts, which could be a little bit of a mess. These are 3-foot long contracts. So the way you scan this, you simply load up on the scanner, click on scan other item, and you just let it feed through very easily. Now I'm gonna show you this other contract, it's a smaller contract. Load it on the scanner, click on scan other items, simply let it feed through. Now it's gonna append it to the existing deal jacket. So now all we have to do is click on view. It's gonna load up all the pages that you just fed through the scanner. And if you click on it, there's the deal, the contract, all the information. You can also see the longer contract. Click on large view, and there is the contract. So it's very easy to scan. Now I'm gonna show you how to view the deal jackets in the accounting office or your finance professionals. They can easily find the deal jackets by typing the deal jacket number. This is 12345. There it is. Click on it. There's your deal. It's a PDF document. You can email this, you can scan this. You can do anything you want with this. Here's the contract. You can cut pieces out of this and send only 2 or 3 pages. That is how simple it is to scan deal jackets. Again, our dealer scanning unit consists of this scanner and this touchscreen. You don't have to buy the equipment. We include this in our monthly price. It's $500 per month and $500 installation, month-to-month contract. These are incredible, difficult times. I have a lot of dealers calling me because they want to, if their service department is still open, they want to catch up with repair orders, especially repair orders. This is an opportunity for you to catch up. Things will change. When the tide turns, you'll be prepared. You'll be more. I'm currently working with dealers through this difficult time that are not scanning and their service departments are still open to start using their scanning unit for a couple of months for free so they can use the system, but at the same time catch up. If after our trial period, for some reason you do not want the product, we simply send you your files, the data is always yours, and we collect the scanning unit. If you're interested, I have a limited amount of units that are available for this trial. Give me a call, 561-385-8177, or visit our website, dealerscanning.com. Hope you're having a good day.